Hello, this is Mike from Cornerable Software, and today I'm going to show you how to install our optional agent onto several managed Windows machines. For detailed information about our agent, please go to our website, select Support, Online Documentation, Agent-Based Management. From the Server Manager Management Console, first let's check our agent server settings. From the Explorer view, find the Root Agent Server node. Expand, then click Agent Server Settings. From the Agent Server Settings view, verify the server is enabled. If manually installing the agent, check the Add All New Hosts checkbox. That way, new machines are automatically added to the software. Check the host identification method. If running the software in a single domain environment or machine names are always unique across multiple domains, I suggest setting this value to local hostname. Check the auto alias if you want to address machines you have added using their IP, but would like the software to automatically apply the local hostname to the host's alias field, so you can see the local machine name when viewed within the software. I use this feature for cloud-based managed systems that do not have DNS records. Check the Agent Installer Enabled checkbox. When you're done, close the view, then if prompted, save your changes. To install the agent on a Windows machine, first, test if the required technologies are available to remotely install the agent. To do that, first add the host you would like to install the agent on. I've already added 3 hosts to a host group called My Devices. For more information, see Adding Hosts in the documentation. Once you've added a host, right-click on the host, then select Host Properties. Select the Windows Logon As tab. This particular machine is not on a domain, so my service credentials will not work. So, to gain the required access I need to install the agent, I have specified impersonation credentials. Click the Test button. If the software is able to view the administrator shares, as well as the available event logs, you can remote install the agent. Otherwise, if either technology fails, that is, Windows shares or remote WMI, you will need to manually install the agent. There are 2 ways to remotely install the agent. First, from the Host Properties view, select the Agent tab. If the agent has not already been installed, the Install Agent button is visible. Second, assigning an agent-based template directly to a host or a host group triggers the agent installer service to install the agent on the host. From the Host Properties view, if I manually install the agent, we can see exactly what's happening. Synchronizing agent. Agent is not installed. Installing. Impersonating. Deleting the previous installer. Uploading the installation file. Remote executing. Remote execution detail. And the successful completion. Once the installer has been launched, wait about 1 minute, then click the Refresh button. The software first checks to see if the host has connected, then returns the version. If not, WMI is used to scan the remote registry to see if the agent was installed. If not, RDP into the server, then check the installer log. The file is located at C, Windows, Temp, and will be named Corner Bowl Server Manager Agent, then a date and time field, .log. If you see the file, most likely the .NET runtime failed to install. Please check Programs and Features for Microsoft .NET Runtime 7.0. If you do not see the runtime installed, please go to the Downloads page on Cornerable Software's website, then download the air-gapped agent installer with .NET Runtime. Once downloaded, save the file to the root of your installation directory. Once saved, the Agent Installer service will automatically use this installer rather than the default installer. You only need to place this file here one time. When a new version is released, all agents will be automatically updated over the Cornerbowl Server Manager TCP channel using the latest installer. The other method to install the agent is by assigning an agent-based template to a host or host group. This method enables you to automate the installation on each server. To do that, I'm going to assign the sample event log consolidation agent template to my group of machines. Once you have assigned an agent-based template to a host or host group, you can verify the successful installation and communication via the host inventory view found within the dashboard. From the Explorer view, select the root dashboard node. From the dashboard, select the Host Inventory tab. Find the agent version column, then use the column header to either sort by the version or drag and drop the column header to the Group By view. Once sorted or grouped, you will be able to verify which machines now have the agent installed and are actively able to connect to the agent server. If you do not see a server listed that you expect, first make sure to wait at least 2 minutes for the installation to complete and the agent to connect. Next, make sure you have port 21843 open outbound on the managed server and inbound on the management server. By default, the Cornerbowl installers automatically open these ports in the Windows firewall. However, if you're using another firewall, you will need to open the port on each machine through their management interfaces. Notice, even after waiting 2 minutes, one of my machines, Woodland, in my group, is not displaying the agent version. Next, I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot machines not connecting. To troubleshoot machines not connecting, we can review the CBS audit log located on the management server. Cornerbowl is set up to automatically consolidate this log and includes reports to show you exactly what the agent installer service has done. First, find the management server in the Explorer view. Expand the Service Templates node, then find the Cornerbowl audit log template. If you do not see this template, from the menu bar, select Tools, Create Default Objects. If the template does not exist, it will be created, then assigned to the management server. Next, so we can view the latest information in the log, right-click on the template, then select Execute. To view the agent installer events, from the Explorer view, find the Root Auditing node. Expand, then select Agent Installer Service. Once the event log viewer displays, you can review the log for more detail. When you are reviewing the log, take note of the correlation ID column. When you group by this column, you are able to see all the log entries associated with each unique installation. Notice one of the machines was unable to be updated. This machine is running Windows Home and does not permit remote WMI since it is not on a domain. Since remote WMI is blocked by Windows, I need to manually install the agent on this machine. To manually install the agent, from the host you have installed Server Manager, copy the Server Manager Agent Installer.exe to each target host. From each target host, open a command prompt as administrator, then run the executable with the following command line options. -Q for quiet, then host all uppercase equals, then specify the name of the host you have installed Server Manager. If you do not specify the host the management server is running on, you will need to manually update the agent configuration file and restart the agent service. On Windows, the default location is C Program Data Corner Bowl Server Manager Agent, then tcpserver.json. If you forgot to specify the host name or have moved Corner Bowl Server Manager to another machine, update the host attribute value pair. Then restart the service. Once installed, use the host inventory view to verify the machine is able to connect. If it is not able to connect, review the end of the agent.log file for errors. Typically, either the incorrect hostname was specified, the hostname is not addressable, or there is a firewall blocking the packets. Next, to view the managed servers that are currently connected, from the Explorer view, find the root agent server node. Expand, then select Real-Time Agent Server Viewer. The viewer displays all active connections as they connect and disconnect. Notice the 3 machines I installed the agent on are not listed. That's because they are currently configured to connect once a minute, then disconnect once any work has completed. If you would like to real-time monitor logs or, while configuring templates, query a managed server's file system or Windows services, you need to configure the host to remain connected to the management server. To do that globally, I'm going to show you how to use the Batch Host Properties view. To open the batch view of host properties, either right-click on a host group, then select Host Properties, or from the menu bar, select Edit, Batch, Update Host, then select the target hosts. Once the Batch Host Properties view is displayed, select the Agent tab. Then select the Keep Agent Connected option. Close the view, then when prompted, save your changes. Once set, back in the Real-Time Agent Server viewer, we can now see all of the managed machines remain connected. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video if this was helpful for you. And as always, I'm adding new videos, so please subscribe to the Corner Bowl channel so you can get notified when we release our next video.